No vaccine, no access to public places. Edo State government don deny civil servants today Wednesday not to enter any of the government office places sake of say dem never take their COVID vaccine. Dis enforcement start this early morning at 7 a.m. for every government office gate for Edo.
Come on, see, I'll destroy this camera. I'll destroy it. Okay, not video me again. Everybody, all of us are done our own last week. I told my today allow me to enter. I want to give a
Make una no forget say since the third wave of this yamayama disease wey oyibo dey call coronavirus, Edo State don dey experience increase of the people wey don kpai and infected with the disease. Na dis one come make the state governor Godwin Obaseki announce say no vaccine, no go to public place wey people for gather or plenty. Oga governor come still talk am say second week of September, which come fall out for today 15th, say dem go begin enforce the no vaccine, no going to public place wey people for dey gather. The oga wey dey head the enforcement team, Yusuf Haruna, come yarn say make dis one no be to fight anybody, but to make dem go take the vaccine.
I think what has happened today is that first, government is serious about saving the lives of the citizenry, the Edo people, residents, and the indigenes of Edo State. That statement that was made by government has come to a full reality today by asking people or advising people to get vaccinated so that they don't get killed by the coronavirus. Now, what we found in the course of this enforcement is that many of our people claim ignorance, that they are not aware about the directive. Therefore, we saw some message received at the point of vaccination from some people, but more importantly is that we need to use our devices to scan the card to ensure that nobody is faking a vaccination card with a view to securing access to government facilities. Those who were not having their cards have been advised to go home and go and get the card. And those who have cards have since been accessed into the secretariats with a view to continue with their jobs. So the thing is that we have sent a serious signal to members of the public. Their safety is in their hands. It's important. Government can only make laws to protect the people, and that is exactly what we are doing. It is in the interest of the masses. We employ our people that they have to develop the culture of having to go around with their vaccination card. It's a new normal. It's a new normal, and our people just have to adjust a little bit. If you can go around with your GSM telephone, some even have up to 2, then the card is so little that you can even put in your chest pocket, and when you don't get embarrassed wherever you go. Because going forward, we are going to improve and even increase the number of our special enforcers, and this regulation will be enforced to the letter. And we are determined to just carry it out.
Our Tori people come still talk with one of the members of COVID-19 committee, Kuso Osage. He come here and say he be dey come government house this morning to come join body with the committee where they do everyday brief. But when he waka reach government gate, him see say him no carry him card wey him take do him own vaccine, so dem no let am enter office.
We know how important vaccination is to protecting lives in this pandemic. The governor made a pronouncement that as from the end of the second week of September, everybody coming into places where you have large number of people will have to come with their vaccination cards. And today is the 15th of September, and that is the beginning of the third week of September. And so that pronouncement from the governor has taken effect. I'm just coming to work now, but you know, even though I'm the one who made the announcement, I forgot my card at home, so I'm going to turn around now, and I'm going to go back home. I'm going to go and get my card so that I can access the government house back, because right now I cannot get in because I don't have my vaccination card.
This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una from Benin. My name na Usarugwe Monday.